Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this Crock-Pot versus the Instant Pot. The first thing that I can say is that the Instant Pot is going to allow you to use it within 45 minutes, which is a very reasonable time. And the Crock-Pot will be a very slow cook. And it will also warm things up for you. You can leave it all day or during the night, and the Instant Pot can do multiple things. It has a lot of features, and you can make rice, porridge, steam, sterilize things, and the function that I use the most is pressure cook, because with that one I can make things that I can normally do with the Crock-Pot but within 45 minutes versus 5 to 6 hours in the Crock-Pot. Crock-Pot is good for guests or potlucks. If you are trying to do the heavy stuff in a reasonable amount of time, I will choose the Instant Pot for sure. It also has the option to sauté, slow cook, and which will be the function that you will be using with the Crock-Pot. But this one will have everything in one versus the one function of the Crock-Pot, when you can just have low, medium, or high